Hey planner babes, happy new year. I cannot believe that it is 2020. I am so excited for what this year is going to bring. So I want to get right into what we're doing today. Today I am actually working on my one little word. So every year I choose a word that is kind of like my focus word, the word that I just want to keep in the front of my mind, the word that I want to work on for the year. And my word this year is exhale. So exhale meaning to breathe out. I came up with this word because I just had so many things in 2019 that just kind of I don't know, bothered me maybe a little bit, or things that I was kind of going through. And so I just said in 2020, I'm just going to release those things. I'm going to exhale, and I'm just going to learn how to trust. I wrote down some of the things I need to exhale was like disappointment and lack. Exhale pride, exhale doubt and fear, negativity, discouragement, insecurities, grief, frustration. And so this is just one of the things I want to just work on this year, is being able to exhale all those negative things and just inhale some positive affirmations. So let me show you what I did last year. This was my planner last year, and I kept this in the front of my planner. So my word last year was thrive, to grow, to flourish, prosper, bloom, to progress forward despite circumstances. And I really think that happened this year. I really do, this past year. And so I want to focus this year on exhale. So what I'm going to do, I love the floral. Like, I love the way this looked with the floral. So I'm going to do something kind of similar to it. I used my Cricut to make this. I also have, let me get it. I also created this right here, the definition to breathe out in 2020 that I'll put on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is, this is just some black cardstock paper, and I just try to make it really simple, just black cardstock. And I'm going to put my word first, and then I'll decorate around it. So if you don't have a Cricut, you can do like I did last year. I just wrote it out. If you do have a Cricut, you know how to do this, right? You just get some transfer paper, transfer tape, and it'll come right off. Y'all, I almost wish I could show y'all my office, but I'm too ashamed to show it to you. I've been working in here all day, and there is stuff everywhere. My husband, yeah, this is gonna happen. It's because this little table is inexpensive. Look at this, it drives me nuts. You know what? I don't want y'all to have to deal with that. But my husband came in here today, and he was like, what is going on? I'm like, I am creating. That's what happens when we get into our space and we create. If you haven't seen my office, there is I have an office tour on my channel, and I will try to remember to link it below. If not, you can just go look through my videos, and there is another, there's a video on my office, just an office tour. All right, so I'm gonna try to put it right here centered. And like I said, this is just black cardstock paper, cardstock. I'm taking this down so I just rub across here. I don't wanna have to shake the table for y'all. This is just black cardstock, and I used my Happy Planner punch to put a hole in it, to put holes in it, sorry. Exhale, and it comes off this easy. Oh man, I should show you. I should make a video with some of the things that I've made today with my Cricut. So excited, so excited. I'm gonna do this first. I'll do the definition first. Once again, I'm gonna take it down here so I don't have to I love this black, right? I saw a lot of people doing theirs, you know, with the white paper, but since my planner, I am gonna do a video on my planner lineup. This is what I do with it. It's stuff everywhere. So y'all have the Homebody Planner, the black one. Oh, it's right here. So this is my planner for 2020. So I wanted to do it black where it kind of, you know, it really matched. It'll be at the front of my planner. So I think that will look good. It will definitely look great. I've used this transfer tape a lot today, so I gotta try to make sure everything comes off with a hitch. Okay, I'm going back down here. I just rather it sit in my lap than y'all watch all that shaking. I hope y'all have had a great few days of rest and relaxation. I know some of my friends that work in business, they went back to work. I don't go back to work till Monday. I'm happy about that. Try to line that up right here. I should have said to breathe out or maybe to release. This okay. This is good. I'm excited. I went through so many words. I don't know about y'all, but I went through so many thoughts. Like, you know, what I want this word to be, what I want this word to be. And finally, I just stopped and said, okay, what do you think you really, last year you had to thrive and you focused on thriving in all areas of your life. And this year, what is it going to be? And I was like, you know what? I think y'all should have seen what I just did. Just pulled it off without making sure everything was on here right. I said, no, I just need to exhale because I've had some loss and that was bothering me. That's part of some of the reasons why I wasn't on my YouTube channel. I lost my brother and yes, this is a chit chat. Sorry guys, but I lost my brother and that was just discouraging. So sometimes when you go through problems like that, it's just hard to find your way. Okay, let's make sure I got this. Okay, please excuse the shaking. Please, please, please. This is just a cute little table from IKEA, and it's on a rug, so that might be why. Okay, there we go. I could leave it just like that, right? That is so cute. I love it, I love it. But like I said, I went to go with some florals. Now, this Homebody book just did not have enough flowers for me. Because anybody else feel like they hoard stickers? I do. I'm like, I have more things to, this was it. This was it. I needed more than that. So I'm gonna go to my Fun Florals book. Oh my gosh, I am looking for the new floral book that came out. I have not found it yet. I went to Joann's yesterday and I used my 20% teacher discount, plus they had some other things. They had, I think it was Happy Planner was either 40 or 50% off at Joann's. So excited. Today, y'all, which is January 2nd, so if you're watching this on another day, I'm sorry, that's 60% off. I hope y'all got a chance to go. And get some more stuff for the year. So I thought about using these. They're pretty, but I wanted something with a little more gold. So I'm going to use these right here because they have a little gold in them. I really, really like these. So, and I don't want it to be too much. Okay, let's see. This is gonna look good. I like this because it's kind of like the Homebody. It has that pop of color. Is anyone that's watching this, is anyone new to planning? Whether you have a recollection or an Erin Condren, a happy planner, is anyone here new to planning? If you are, please let me know in the box below in the comment section. I would love to talk to you and see how you're doing with your planning. It can start out and seem a little I don't know. It can seem difficult. It's so many choices, but there are so many planner babes that you can reach out to, and you can watch their channels. I love this community because they're just all about helping each other. And so I think also if you look next to my on my channel, I have a list of people that's great to watch. So I think that's great. Oh, look how cute that is. If you're new to my channel, you know that it's very hard for me to stop putting stickers. Stop putting stickers down. I'm like, I love the stickers. I love them. And like I said before, sometimes I have a problem hoarding stickers. I mean, that's a bad thing too. Have problems with that, where I have stickers where I'm like, no, I'm not gonna use these. Not gonna use these. Oh, and one of my favorite things to do is just to let a sticker hang off and cut it, so it just looks like it's just continuous. See how nice that looks? I'm feeling like I need to put something over in here. Let's see. I don't know if I want something kind of big or something a little simple. Do these little colors through. There's not that much more left in here. I am on the hunt for that floral book that came out. I know it's gorgeous. If y'all have seen it, if you've seen it at, I don't know where to even get it. Like, is it at Michael's? I don't want to have to use my punch. Come right here, it's good. So sometimes what I've had to do is or what I've done before is put the sticker over the hole, and then I had to repunch it. Come up. Now, let me just tell you this. If you've been planning for a while, you know this. If you haven't been planning for a while, this is just new information for you. Things like this, I don't get rid of. So you can just find a different place to use it. These little bitty pieces. Like if I wanted a little more greenery right here, just come right here and lay it on the edge. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's cute. I love it. Let me show you how good it's going to look in my planner. I've really missed you guys. Like really missed you guys. Like I said, this is my Homebody planner right here. I don't know if I want to pop it right here. I think I'm gonna do it after. Let me see. I think I'm going to put it right here. Pop that right back in here. And there you go. And this is what I'll get to look at every single day when I open my planner. So I am just elated, for real. I'm overjoyed. I'm so thankful for the subscribers that I have. I love that you love to talk to me, and I love talking back to you. So come on, tell me what kind of planners you are working with this year. Did you purchase a new planner? Do you have an 18-month planner and it's not up yet? I need to stop buying 18-month planners because I stop using them as soon as a new planner comes out. It's a bad addiction. But I love it. And so I'm so thankful for you stopping by. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you are new to my channel, once again, thank you for stopping by. And if you want to see more content, click on that notification bell. And I would love for you to give me a thumbs up for this, this video if you like it. So I'm grateful for you once again. And subscribe to the channel, please. There's more content coming. And so I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great year.